Hello and welcome to this episode of The UnNoticed Entrepreneur. Today we're going to Florida, just outside Tampa Bay, to St. Petersburg to meet Haylee Kalani McDonald. So Haylee, tell us, what is creativity and why does it matter to the unnoticed entrepreneur?
Yes, I have always been very creative ever since I was a kid, and I'm a big believer that everybody is creative inherently. And if you look back at your childhood, you'll remember just how creative you were. I'm a big believer that innovation and creativity are really what drive a business forward and make it truly successful. And for any entrepreneur, even the act of wanting to be an entrepreneur, there's a sense of creative drive in that because you have to solve problems for people. And I believe that really the only way to solve problems is to think creatively. So my definition of creativity is to think differently, to see things from other perspectives that you may not have otherwise seen, to stay curious and to stay open to every possibility, regardless of whether you're going to actually take that idea and run with it or not. And it's really the collaboration process between this divergent thinking on one side, where we're opening ourselves up to all those possibilities, things that we're trying to connect the dots with the certain problems we're solving, and then mixing that divergent thinking with the convergent thinking process, where we now have to pare down what we think may actually be useful to the problem we're solving and start to assign tasks or action plans to those things. I think the beauty of creativity is that it's so expansive and it leads to so many possibilities. But the downfall of creativity is that if you're not just focusing on one, that all of the other stuff is really just going to fall apart.
Now, this was just a 2-minute trailer for a full 20-minute show. The show will be dropping into your feed in the next day or so, so do look out for it and do enjoy it, share it, and review it. Thanks for listening to this trailer of The UnNoticed Entrepreneur.